Welcome back. In this part of the session, we will understand how to use when in PySpark. When is similar to the case statement in SQL. So let's get started. So we are using df underscore prod data frame. Let's display. So suppose we have a category column and we need to create subcategory. So in general SQL statement we use case. So in case statement we use if category is equal to mix, then we want to populate some hard-coded value, and when category is equal to ruler, then we want to populate some other value. So similarly in when we'll see how to use when. So here first we'll check distinct values of our column category dot distinct dot show. So we have five distinct values and we will populate. If value is mix, then we'll populate some value. If value is youth or urban, then we'll populate some other value. So let's see how to do. Df underscore alter is equal to our data frame dot with column. So we need to create one more column, subcategory. Subcategory is a derived column which will be from the category column. So we'll use when data frame dot category is equal to mix, then we will populate present some time. So this is when part, and dot otherwise. So otherwise is similar to the else of the SQL. So we can populate some random value, present all time. So before that we need to import from PySpark dot sql dot functions import when run the cell. Import happened, then run the data frame also cell also got executed successfully. Let's display. So we can see we got another column which is subcategory and has values present sometime, and for all other values for null and ruler we have present all time. So this way we can do. So if suppose we want to create one more category subcategory, just we need to copy this, then we'll write dot, and then for value ruler present festival time, and one more subcategory will populate. So in our data set we can see we have some null values. So suppose we want to check that value, and we need to check if is null, then we can say not present anytime. So this subcategory we can create, and then we have otherwise, in which youth will come, that will have present all time. So let's run the cell is executed successfully. Let's run the data frame, and we can see for null not present at any time. Yeah, it is the correct. For mix present sometime, yes, we for mix the value is present sometime. And for okay, so by doing, rather than we can display it using we will write, let's check the distinct value for both the column. We have category column, then we have subcategory column. Let's check the distinct values which we created. Dot distinct dot show. Yeah, so for value mix we have present some time. So for urban will come here because we didn't put any condition here. For urban it's present all time because the value will go into otherwise condition. For youth also the value will be present all time. For ruler presents festival time, yeah, that we hard coded. And for null not present at all time. So this way we can use the when statement in PySpark. So this marks the end of this session. Thank you.